In this video, I will show you how to use Monday.com for team collaboration. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. Create a shared board for your team by clicking the plus icon under Workspaces. Give your new board a name. I'm going to name this Teams Collaboration. Scroll down and select what you're managing in this board. I will choose Tasks, then simply select Create Board. Once your board has been created, you can then select Tasks and rename those tasks. You can then assign a person to the different tasks in your workspace. You can also add statuses and change it, working on it, done, and then you can also select a date or a deadline. If you would like to communicate with the person who is responsible for that task, simply select the plus chat bubble next to person. You can then type or communicate with that person. So I will say, how far are you? And then simply select update. If you would like to attach files, to the right of date, select the plus sign, add column, and then search for docs and select files. And now you can attach files to specific tasks. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.